65. Then Jacob Smith, Owen Aldhouse, Greg Conrad, 14 mile an hour, 11 draw, 12,000. Infield side. West side on Jack Cole Linton. Rufus entered his winner on the infield side. Fans, give them a round of applause. 219.78, 5.9 mile an hour. Give us a second. We will get you the official rundown. Looks like you got that 1466 to go. Rufus coming here, man. Well, that's a pretty black color, Steven. Now this tractor, fans, has a data logger on, so what that means, he is measuring temperatures, pressures, everything on each cylinder, how much water he's pushing through everything. Okay, infield side, final results, and that 6 mile an hour class. Go ahead and win the class right there. This is Mr. Tyler Smith. Tyler Smith, 67, 37. Then we have number 1. Then we have number 2 tonight. And then Paul Young at 263, 74. Number 4 on the night, or number 3 on the night. So we think Mr. Brian Owens at 240, 45. And running out the top 4, the Jerry O'Brien at 2. Actually, will be Andrew Skinner at 219.78. Grandstand side, we'll be looking for Eric Stanley. He will be pulling next on the west side. Yeah, you're right there in the ticket of the Blue Farms, man. On my side, their class going to come to us right here. Looks like we're going to be looking for Jacob Smith right now. Thomastown, Illinois, right here.
Did you like it?
Illinois, down here 45. That's who we're going to see right now. Coming to the line. Over here on Foul Corners Legacy on the infield side. Jacob used to pull a red tractor back when he first started hauling, Steven. He was in that last class we just had. That's where he got his speed cut. He cut his speed a long time in those 6 mile an hour classes. And they come out with this tractor about a year or so ago, started building. And the Smith family drives up there right north of 92 on Springfield Road. All the way up towards Erie, Illinois, farmers. Also a little cattle feeding operation up in that part of the country. But we got to keep her underneath it, 14 mile an hour, the Cowboys Legacy. Yeah, I knew that one was going to be kept over here. The option forward. So each So each time that auction puller has the option then to turn down and come back here to the bottom, the shake machine is actually supposed to be the first slot, but they're actually pulling on the infield side, on the grandstand side. So they opted to come back over there. Here's blowing smoke in the dark here in Stanley.
Tough class, Steven. A lot of tough competitors in this class.
Yeah, your leader's sitting right there at, what is, at 316 and change? That is a tough line group of tractors on that side. Here come the Lighthouse family. They've got quite a few machines. Grandstand side, I think we will be looking for Nate Shake as he was the option puller. He thought he could probably do better on his second pass, so he's going to bring her back. He's going to go ahead and bring it on back here to this side. Now the other side here is this side.
Let me know when he starts to go, so I can get out of your way.
The other side is Stanley on the lowest machine. He's a little bit of a longer way. That's the other this far side. Looks like there's a green flag going on this side.
It's gotta be a good show, guys.
Fans, do not forget to, we've got plenty of our concession stands and everything out here still to get ready for the food tonight. Make sure you check them out. We'll run down the infield side. And then doors to adult beverage over here on the infield side of the bar. We have plenty of laps as well. Infield side.
Second place goes to Nate Shank in the Ford. Third place, Eric Stanley. Fourth, Paul Lenson. Fifth, Cody Carter. And sixth, Rick Roger.
Jump right here, right there, out of that class right there.